Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, August 5th, the new Black Monday, apparently. And we're going to take a look at the S&P, ES futures, talk a little bit about where the support for this market is and what we're paying attention to. So, stock market obviously took a nosedive today. We were at one point down as much as 6% in the NASDAQ, for example, which we're only down around 3% as of recording this at 2:30. But I'm watching some pretty significant support levels here on the S&P, and this is what I'm specifically paying attention to. So we had been trending up. We ended that uptrend a couple weeks ago when we started breaking down. We broke below our previous daily pivot low at 5,500. So we no longer had higher highs and higher lows. We have now dropped quite a bit, and this is the support zone I'm really paying attention to. It ranges from about 5,000 to 5,100, so it's a pretty wide range, I know. However, that is where our pivot lows are on the dailies. This is where we have previously bottomed. That's where we took a nosedive before and then reversed up off of it. So it's where buyers have stepped in previously. So if they're going to hold this, we could see this turn back around pretty good. Also, this is right on top of our 200-day moving average, which is this dark purple line. This is what we ran into today for support, and it held so far. Now, it's rare to have a V bottom. Keep that in mind. Normally, you're going to come down, bounce, and revisit the lows, typically, or try to revisit the lows anyway, and fail on a 240-minute price chart. So the 240s are the main time frame I'll be paying attention to watch for this to reverse back up. So far, we've gotten a decent bounce today. I want to see us try to revisit the lows, pull back down to around like the 51.50 to 51.75 area, potentially tomorrow, and then see if we can get a bounce from there and turn this back from a downtrend on the 240s to an uptrend and start coming back up. But until then, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. I'm not trying to take a long here and hold it. We're just going to wait and see, let the market show us which way it's going to go. Once we start changing trend on the 240s, then we can look for swings again back to the upside on the indices. But keep an eye on this. Again, this is that major support. It's also our previous weekly pivot low down around that 5,000 level. So that's what I'm watching. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.